Hi friends, in this video let me share one of the smartest ways to master biology, cracking the code of prefixes, suffixes and root words with examples. These word parts help you to unlock hundreds of complex confusing biological terms. First one is a or an, that means not, without or lacking, as in abiotic, that means non-living, anaerobic, that is without oxygen. Ab is away from. Abduction or abscission. Abduction means moving away from the body. Abscission means cutting away, abscission of leaves or falling off leaves. Add, to or toward. Adduction. Adduction means moving toward the body. Adrenal, towards the kidney. Renal means kidney. Amphi. Amphi means both or on both sides. Ambidextrous, using both hands. Ambivalent, having both good and bad feelings. Or ambivalent ions. Amphi means both or double. Amphibian, as in or an amphipathic. Amphibian, living in both water and land. Amphipathic, having both water-loving and water-fearing parts. Hydrophobic and hydrophilic parts. Ana. Ana means up, throughout, or again. Anabolism, or that is building up. Anaphase, moving up. Chromosomes move up to the poles, that is anaphase. Angio. Angio means vessel, as in angiosperm or angiogenesis. Angiosperm is seed vessel. Vessel means seeds enclosed in a fruit. Angiogenesis means formation of new blood vessels. Anti. Anti means against or opposite to, as in antibody, antibiotic. Antibody, substance against foreign invaders. Antibiotic, substance against life. In this context, it is bacteria. Arthro. Arthro means joint. Arthropod or arthroplasty. Arthropod means jointed feet. Arthroplasty, surgical repair of the joint, is called arthroplasty. Auto. Auto means self. Autotroph, autoimmune. Autotroph, self-feeding organisms like plants. Autoimmune, immune response against self cells or autoimmune responses. Bi. Bi means two. Binomial, bilateral. Binomial means two names, naming using two names. Bilateral, having two sides. Bio. Bio means life or living, as in biology or biosphere. Biology is the study of life. Biosphere, it's a sphere of life. Cardio. Cardio means heart, as in cardiology, cardiovascular. Cardiology is a study of the heart. Cardiovascular, relating to the heart and the vessels. Kata. Kata means down or breakdown, as in catabolism. Catabolism means breaking down molecules or breaking down reactions. Catalysis, down to or loosen, dissolution. Cephalo means head. Cephalic or encephalitis. Cephalic means pertaining to the head. Encephalitis, it's the inflammation of the brain or head. Chloro. Chloro means green, as in chlorophyll, chloroplast. Chlorophyll, it is a green pigment or green leaf pigment. Chloroplast is a green structure or the organelle. Chromo means color, as in chromosome, chromoplasm. Chromosome, colored body upon staining. Chromoplasm, it is a colored part of the cytoplasm. Com or con, that is with together. Coenzyme, commensalism. Coenzyme working together with an enzyme. Commensalism, living with another. Cyano means blue. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, it is called blue-green bacteria. Cyto means cell. Cytology, Erythrocyte. Cytology is a study of cells. Erythrocyte means red blood cells. Here, erythro means red. D. D means removal of or undoing something. Dehydration, that is removal of water. Denaturation, unfolding of a protein structure from its normal state. Derm means skin, as in epidermis, dermatology. Epidermis is upon the skin. Epi, upon, dermis, the skin. Dermatology is a study of skin. Di or diplo, it means two or double. Disaccharide or diploid. Disaccharide means two sugars. Diploid means double set of chromosomes, as we have 46 chromosomes diploid number. This means bad, abnormal, or difficult. Dysfunction, it means malfunction or abnormal function. Dysplasia, that means abnormal growth. Ecto or exo. Ecto means outside, exo means external. Ectoderm, exoskeleton. Ectoderm, outer layer of tissue. Exoskeleton, external skeleton. N or N2, it is inside or internal. Endoskeleton, endocrine. Internal skeleton is the endoskeleton. Endocrine, secreting internally. Epi. Epi means on, above, upon. Epidermis, epigenetics. Upon the skin, epigenetics above the genes, controlling other than the genes. Erythro means red. Erythrocyte. Erythropoietin. Erythrocyte is a red cell or RBC. Erythropoietin substances that produce red cells. U. U means true, good, proper. Eukaryote. That means true nucleus. Eubacteria. That is true bacteria. Gastro means stomach or belly. Gastropod or gastroenteritis. Gastropod, stomach food, whereas gastroenteritis, inflammation of stomach or intestine. Gen means produce, birth, origin, genetics or genesis. Genetics study of origin or inheritance. Genesis, creation or beginning, as in angiogenesis. Glyco means sweet or sugar. Glycolysis, glycoprotein. Glycolysis, splitting of sugar. Lysis means splitting. Glycoprotein, sugar protein compound. Hemo or hema, that means blood. Hemoglobin, hematology. Blood protein. Hematology is the study of blood. The next one is hetero. Hetero means different or other. Heterozygous, different alleles. Heterotroph, feeding on others, like animals. Homo or homeo means same or similar. Homozygous, same alleles. Homeostasis, maintaining a stable state, same similar state. Hydro. Hydro means water, as in hydrolysis or hydrophilic. Hydrolysis, splitting with water. Hydrophilic, water loving. Philic means loving. Hyper. Hyper means above or excessive. Hypertonic or hyperglycemia. Hypertonic, above concentration. Hyperglycemia, excessive sugar in blood. Hypo means lower, below or less. Hypotonic or hypothermia. Hypotonic, that is below concentration. Hypothermia, below normal temperature. Inter. Inter means between. Intercellular, between the cells. Interface, that is between the phases. Intra means within or inside. Intracellular, that is within the cell. Intravenous, that is within a vein. Iso. Iso means equal or same. Isotonic or isomer. Isotonic, equal concentration. Isomer, same chemical formula. Lucco or Lucco. It's white or clear. Leukocyte. It's called white cell or WBC, white blood cells. Macro. Macro means large. Macromolecule, macrophage. Macromolecule, large molecule. Macrophage, large eater or immune cell. Micro means small, as in microscope, microorganism. Microscope, instrument for seeing small things. Microorganism, small living thing. Mono means one or single. Monosaccharide, one sugar. Or monomer, it is a single unit. Monomer of carbohydrate is monosaccharide. Morpho means form or shape, as in morphology or morphogenesis. Morphology, study of form or structure. Morphogenesis, formation of shape. Multi or poly, it means many. Multicellular or polypeptide. Multicellular, many cells. Polypeptide, many amino acid units. Neuro means nerve, as in neuron, neurology. Neuron is a nerve cell. Neurology is a study of nervous system. Peri means around or surrounding. Pericardium, peripheral. Pericardium means membrane around the heart. Peripheral, surrounding the center. Proto means first or primitive. Protozoa, prototype. Protozoa is the first animals. Prototype is the first model. Hope you are benefited from the video. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.